Hey guys, so in this video I want to share a really useful tips for you guys that runs tubeless tire setup on your road bike, gravel bike or mountain bike. Okay, so right in front of me is my wheel set. This is a Elite Wheels G45 full carbon wheel set, and I did run this tubeless, but I haven't used the bike for probably 3-4 months. I took it off my bike and I sold my bike, so it's just been sitting there. The tubeless sealant all caulked up inside, and if you look over here, I already cleaned it super easily. And for people who are frustrated on cleaning the gunk from your wheel set, my quickest tip for you is I'm just going to give you a comparison. Okay, so this one I haven't started cleaning. Take a look at the edge of the edge of the rim. It's pretty gunked up with the tubeless sealant, okay? And what I did, again, to make it look like this, which is clean and ready to go, you can either set up tubeless or you can put in the new inner tubes on the bike, on the wheels, no problem. Here's my trick to remove the gunk. Chopsticks, okay? So go to any Chinese restaurant and have a dinner, ask for a couple of free pairs of chopsticks, or a sushi restaurant, whatever. You can use it when you finish using it, just wash it, and the chopstick is gonna help you go into the grooves here, and you can just apply a little pressure, and it will get all those gunks out from the edge of the rim super effectively, super quickly, and efficiently. Okay, so this is pretty much how I did. I just turned on my TV and started working on the wheels. And probably within less than half an hour, both my front and back wheels on the wheel set is gonna be gunk free. So this one took about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna start doing this one. Again, this is the easiest way that I found, which is just using the chopsticks, the pointy end, and just going to the grooves and start scrubbing, okay? You won't be damaging the carbon wheels because this is, the wood is actually a fairly soft material. So just like plastic, you can, if you have a plastic stick or a rod, you can also use a plastic rod and just go in here and start scraping, okay? So within 15 minutes, you're gonna clean out the entire one wheel. And within half an hour, you can get all your wheels gunk free and ready for the next tubeless setup. Or if you are fed up with tubeless gunks, just use the inner tube, right? So that's a tip I want to share with you guys, and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. I will have more bicycle maintenance or repair related tips coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and see you in the next video. Take care.